Do you need floor mats for a 2024 Super Duty? I don't know what else these will fit. We needed some, so I bought these. I've seen these on the internet, and the Husky brand looks like a pretty decent one. And I'd rather not get the carpet messed up. Today is Silly Shirt Saturday, except on a Friday. So there's my silly shirt for tomorrow, but I'm wearing it today. I'm going to chew my way through this box because I haven't opened these up yet. When I get the box open, we'll take a look inside. All right, this is what I've got here. And since these appear to have clips that match the clips in the floorboard of my pickup, I'm going to take the factory mats out, and I'm guessing these will fit better without the factory mats anyway. These feel, of course it's 40 degrees out here. I should have warmed these up first, but I didn't, so here we go. Kind of like the way these are set up. I think these will be easier to clean. I saw some that had all kinds of little nifty little dead end circuits in them. These have ends that are open, so I think they'll be really easy to sweep out. Let me get my factory mats out of here. Still have the thank you mat from the dealer. And I'll show you what this one looks like. I think that's going to relax a little bit more as it warms up, but it fits in there really nicely. Let me get the rest of them put in. I'll be right back. Hey, one suggestion I would make, if you're going to put these mats in here, take your factory mats out. I've seen several people put the mats in over the top of their factory mats, and then they didn't really lay right. I kind of think it's because they're not designed to go over the top of the factory mats. Just an opinion. Okay, I got everything in, and I am liking this. Again, it's very cold out here, so this hasn't relaxed, but if I give it a little bit of assistance, it looks like once it warms up, loses the set from being in the cold box. I think that's going to fit in there really nice. So same thing on this side, and I'll show you the front real quick. So as soon as all of this warms up, I think it's going to be just dandy. And I'm going to have another project coming up here pretty soon. Got the bed rug and all that for the topper. And I'm going to put a set of custom LED lights in here. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do on this yet. This is a Lear. Picked it up at Escargo in Loveland, Colorado, and this is going to be my next little project. So if you want to see that, subscribe, and I'll get on this as quick as I can. If you are interested in talking to anybody at Escargo, talk to Bill. He did a really good job with everything. So we ended up buying this one with the Lariat Ultimate package. I haven't figured everything in here out yet. I'll go over that as I have time, but I'll do you a quick walk around on the outside. And got the retractable running boards. Those look pretty nice because when they fold up, it's just a little chrome strip on the bottom. And since we're going to be pulling the trailer, I went ahead and got the dual rear wheels. Got a couple of luggage racks, the overhead racks on the Lear. But that's it. So if anybody has any questions or any particular thing they would like to know about, let me know and I'll get to that as quick as I can. I'll keep you posted on whether these mats lay down like I think they should or not. I don't think there's going to be a problem with it. It's just really cold right now, but any updates will be on this channel. So If you want to keep up with it, subscribe, ask me questions in the comments. I get to you as quick as I can on that. I'm going to throw a video up here. YouTube's going to throw one down here, and I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.